In coal, electric power, and other operations, submersible slurry pumps are indispensable key equipment. Their high efficiency and reliability are crucial to ensuring the smooth progress of operations. The submersible slurry pump has excellent corrosion resistance and wear resistance and can work for a long time in harsh environments without damage. It can be widely used in coal, electric power, transportation, dredging, and other fields. Submersible slurry pumps also have excellent sand discharge capabilities and can easily handle gravel and mud. Whether in rivers or lakes, these pumps are capable of operating in various environments. Kingda Submersible Slurry Pump uses advanced manufacturing technology and high-quality materials to ensure its long-term stable operation, reduce maintenance costs, and provide a solid backing for continued mining operations.